Oniri is a unique platform to convert any 3D scene in a hybrid real-time and VR experience application. Creators can use Oniri to showcase photorealistic works of architecture and constructions, digital arts and heritage, 3D e-commerce, virtual events, training, and much more. It teleports you in a full VR mobile experience and embeddable website application with the highest standard of visual quality. Oniri has been designed for accelerating the workflow from any 3D scene made for offline rendering like Vray and Corona to mobile VR and web applications, saving days or weeks of work. No geometry, material, or lighting conversion is required anymore. Despite the complexity of your 3D scene, it will always be compatible with the most common VR headsets, like MetaQuest Standalone, and can be integrated via web browsers without loss of quality, easily shared with anyone and on any device. There is no longer a need for expensive computers to experience photorealistic, immersive 3D real-time applications. Share your virtual world today. Join Oniri.